In the heart of a high-tech facility, our journey begins with the purest raw materials, where white silkworm cocoons wait upon a dark industrial stage for transformation. Each cocoon is a miracle of nature, a compact treasure of fine filaments that will soon be unraveled by the most advanced engineering known to the textile world. Precision starts at the very beginning, as automated systems use advanced sensors and robotic grace to ensure only the highest quality cocoons proceed to the next stage. Efficiency meets perfection in this sorting hall, where technology categorizes nature's bounty with a speed and accuracy that far surpasses the capabilities of the human eye alone. The cocoons now enter the thermal processing phase, where controlled heat prepares the delicate structures for the intricate extraction process that lies just a few steps ahead. Steam fills the air, creating a mystical atmosphere within the factory as the cocoons are softened, a necessary step to awaken the long dormant threads hidden within their shells. In these temperature-controlled baths, the natural sericin is softened, allowing the microscopic ends of the silk threads to be identified by the mechanical hands of the machines. This is where biology meets industry, a sophisticated environment designed to protect the integrity of the silk while preparing it for its grand debut as a luxury fabric. As the extraction begins, specialized mechanical brushes dance across the water's surface, delicately catching the microscopic ends of the silk threads with incredible and soft precision. A single filament emerges, so thin it is almost invisible, yet possessing a natural strength that has fascinated humanity for thousands of years throughout our long history. Guided by ceramic rollers, the silk travels through a path of pure precision, ensuring that the fragile thread never touches a surface that could cause even the slightest damage. Laser technology monitors every millimeter of the thread, detecting even the smallest variations in thickness to guarantee a level of uniformity that defines true, high-end, luxury silk. To create a thread strong enough for weaving, several individual filaments are united, merging their strength into a single, cohesive strand of shimmering, raw beauty and great durability. The process is a delicate balance of moisture and tension, where the water serves as both a lubricant and a medium for the thread's first stage of refinement. Across the vast production floor, dozens of these extraction units work in perfect harmony, a testament to the scale and sophistication of modern textile manufacturing and engineering. The raw silk is gathered onto transparent reels, catching the light in a way that reveals its inner glow, a characteristic that makes silk the queen of all fabrics. At high speeds, the winding process is a blur of motion, yet the placement of every single wrap is calculated to perfection by the machine's advanced control system. Technicians monitor these digital vitals, ensuring that the delicate biological material is handled with the exact parameters required for the highest grade of silk production in the world. As the extraction phase concludes, the raw silk stands ready, a shimmering testament to the successful marriage of natural wonder and the pinnacle of modern industrial technology. We enter the heart of the facility, where the reeling machines create a hypnotic dance of thousands of spindles, all turning in perfect, synchronized industrial harmony. The speed is breathtaking, transforming the individual threads into a solid-looking cylinder of pure light, a visual representation of the energy and precision involved in this process. In slow motion, we see the grace of the thread as it glides through steel guides, moving with a fluid elegance that defies its incredible high-velocity journey. The sheer scale of this operation is awe-inspiring, a cathedral of mechanical ingenuity where every gear and every motor plays a vital role in the creation of luxury. There is a rhythmic music to the machinery, a steady beat of progress as the mechanical arms guide the silk with an unwavering and tireless mechanical devotion. Human oversight remains vital, as skilled technicians ensure that the automated systems maintain their peak performance in an environment of absolute cleanliness and industrial clinical perfection. Tension is the key to quality. Sensors and micro adjusters work constantly to keep the silk at the perfect level of pull, preventing any breakages or structural flaws. This vast landscape of automation represents the pinnacle of textile engineering, where traditional craftsmanship has been evolved into a highly efficient and flawlessly beautiful industrial process. As each spool reaches capacity, the system transitions with seamless mechanical efficiency, ensuring a continuous flow of production that never skips a beat or loses its focus. The gathered silk begins to take on its characteristic luster, looking like liquid pearls wrapped around the spools, a sign of the incredible quality being achieved here today. Beneath the beauty of the silk lies the power of the machine, a complex network of gears and drives that provide the foundation for this magnificent industrial symphony. Now, the silk enters the strengthening phase, where individual strands are twisted together, a process that adds the necessary durability required for the most demanding textile applications. The twisting happens at such incredible speeds that the eye cannot follow, transforming the delicate silk into a resilient cord that possesses a surprising and impressive tensile strength. In the degumming stage, the silk is washed in a specialized biological solution, stripping away the natural protective glues to reveal the hidden brilliance of the fiber itself. As the Saracen is removed, the silk's true personality emerges, shining with a brilliant white luster that reflects light with a soft, ethereal glow that is truly unique. Science reveals the secret of the silk's beauty. Its triangular fibers act like tiny prisms, refracting light and creating that signature shimmer that has defined global luxury fashion. The yarn is carefully dried in a climate-controlled environment, ensuring that every strand reaches the perfect level of moisture before it is sent to the weaving department. Even in this high-tech world, the human touch remains the ultimate judge of quality, as experts verify the softness and suppleness of the refined silk yarn strands. Rewound onto industrial bobbins, the silk is now a formidable material, ready to be woven into intricate patterns on the world's most advanced and fastest weaving looms. Automated logistics carry our precious cargo through the facility, a seamless transition from the preparation stages to the final act of creation on the grand weaving floor. These towers of silk represent hours of careful processing and refinement, the culmination of a journey that began in the humble cocoon and is now ready for greatness. Every thread finds its loom, a complex setup where thousands of individual strands are prepared to be interlaced into a single, magnificent piece of fabric. The weaving hall is a place of power and precision, where massive rapier looms stand ready to execute the complex instructions of our modern digital textile designers. The shuttle fires with explosive speed, carrying the weft thread across the fabric at a pace that is impossible for the human eye to track or comprehend. Millimeter by millimeter, the silk fabric takes shape, a perfect interlacing of threads that creates a surface of unparalleled smoothness and incredible structural and visual integrity. Patterns emerge like magic from the machine, a digital design translated into a physical masterpiece through the relentless and precise movement of the loom's sophisticated weaving head. The finished cloth is gathered onto a slow-turning cylinder, a continuous sheet of luxury that flows like liquid metal under the intense industrial lights of the factory. Each thread is hammered into place with decisive power, ensuring a dense and consistent weave that gives the silk its famous durability and its signature heavy drape. Complexity is mastered through the jacquard system, where thousands of individual needles are controlled by software to create textures and patterns of stunning and intricate detail. It is a symphony of steel and silk, an industrial ballet where the strength of the machine is used to celebrate the delicacy and beauty of the natural fiber. Even the edges are perfect, as the brand's identity is woven directly into the fabric, a permanent mark of quality and a signature of true industrial excellence. Computers make thousands of adjustments every second, compensating for even the slightest change in humidity or temperature to keep the weaving process absolutely perfect and consistent. Up close, the perfection is undeniable. The weave is so tight and so uniform that it appears as a single, flawless surface of shimmering light and color. Behind the scenes, the mechanics are just as beautiful as the fabric, a testament to the engineering genius that makes this level of production possible every day. A forest of looms works in unison, a powerhouse of production that brings the elegance of silk to the world through the scale of modern industrial capability. No flaw goes unnoticed. AI-driven cameras inspect every millimeter of the fabric in real time, ensuring that only perfection is allowed to leave the weaving floor today. The weaving is complete and the silk stands revealed, a masterpiece of modern manufacturing that is ready for its final journey through the finishing and inspection stages. The fabric now enters the finishing department, flowing over chrome rollers like a waterfall of light, where it will receive its final treatments to enhance its beauty. Gentle steam is applied once more, relaxing the fibers and allowing the natural luster of the silk to reach its full, breathtaking potential under the bright lights. Quality control is paramount. The fabric is laid out on massive light tables, allowing inspectors to see through the weave and identify any internal structural inconsistencies. Every inch is checked by hand and eye, a final human validation that ensures the tactile experience of the fabric is as perfect as its visual appearance. Laser precision is used to trim the edges, creating a perfectly straight and clean finish that prevents fraying and ensures the fabric is ready for the tailor's table. High-pressure rollers give the silk its final polished finish, a process that compresses the fibers to create a surface that is as smooth as glass to the touch. The way the fabric drapes and folds is a testament to its quality, moving with a crisp yet fluid motion that is the hallmark of premium-grade silk. Packaged for the elite, the silk is wound onto premium spools, becoming a product that is as beautiful in its presentation as it is in its physical form. Authenticity is guaranteed with a final seal, a mark of trust that connects the end consumer to the incredible journey of technology and art we have witnessed. The warehouse is a gallery of luxury, where rolls of silk wait to be sent across the globe to the finest fashion houses and most discerning designers worldwide. As the day's production concludes, the facility stands as a monument to human ingenuity, where the humble silkworm's gift is elevated to the highest heights of luxury. We arrive at the final destination, where the product of our labor is displayed in a setting that honors its status as a masterpiece of industrial art. Notice how the light dances across the surface, a play of reflections that only true silk can provide, a visual symphony that captivates and inspires the observer. From the humble beginnings of a cocoon to the complex dance of gears and lasers, every step has been a calculated move toward this singular goal of perfection. This is the marriage of nature and machine, a fabric that feels as good as it looks, embodying the very essence of modern, high-end industrial craftsmanship. Behind every yard of this fabric is a legacy of innovation and a commitment to excellence that defines our brand and our contribution to the world. The journey ends here, but the life of this silk is only beginning as it goes on to become a part of the world's most beautiful creations. A testament to the enduring power of beauty and the incredible things we can achieve when we combine natural wonder with the limits of human technology. This is the journey from cocoon to silk, a true masterpiece of technology and art, crafted for those who demand nothing but the absolute very best.